Have you ever had any thoughts of being an investor and owning rental property? Stay tuned and we'll discuss how to get started. I'm Glen Nelson with Realty One Group West, and today let's talk about getting started owning investment properties. The idea of buying your first investment property can seem scary, but with today's market especially, now is the best time to put your toe in the water and buy your first property. But where do you get started? Let's go over a simple plan to start. Number one, decide what type of property you want to invest in. Is that going to be a single-family residence? If so, think of the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and size of the home that you want to consider. Where do you want to buy? Try to stay within a 30 to 45-minute drive. Otherwise, you'll need to get a property management company since it's too hard to drive long distances for maintenance and keeping an eye on the property. Do you want to purchase a duplex, a triplex, or fourplex? If you're thinking of living in one of the units, it's easy to oversee the property and have rental income from the other unit or units. If you don't want to live in one unit, then all the units will provide income for you. Another consideration is purchasing a mobile home. In that case, what size home do you want, and do you want it on a raised foundation? Number two, do you want to buy a fixer or one that just needs carpet and paint before renting it? For a fixer, you can do it yourself if you have the time and the expertise, or you could find a good contractor to do the work for you. You can always contact your real estate agent for referrals for carpet and painting contractors. Number three, talk to a seasoned lender to find out what financing options there are, how much cash you can bring to the table, and what is the purchase amount you can qualify for, and what monthly payment you are comfortable with. Number four, develop a plan for finding your first property. You can talk to your real estate agent and have the agent check the multiple listing service to see if that agent can locate properties that may suit your needs and budget. You can always drive around your target community to look for possible opportunities in properties that fit your needs, either as a fixer or may show some signs of distress or deferred maintenance. It's also a good idea to join a local investment club and start networking with fellow investors. They may already know properties that they can tell you about, and they can always give you advice in each step of investing. Number five, make offers on the properties that you're interested in through your agent. Your agent can help with the offer terms, negotiate with the seller, and help you during the escrow process. Number six, close escrow and begin managing your first property. Your agent can also help you vet the potential renters to find the best candidate. Your agent can also help determine market value rents in the area of your property. And that's it. Follow this plan and you can own your own investment property that will help you build wealth and diversify your income. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.